Top 25 questions on world's famous personalities. First question: who is known as the father of modern physics? Option A: Albert Einstein, B: Isaac Newton, C: Galileo Galilei, D: Stephen Hawking. The answer for this question is option A: Albert Einstein. Second question is: which iconic artist is famous for painting the Mona Lisa? Option A: Pablo Picasso, option B: Vincent van Gogh, option C: Leonardo da Vinci, option D: Michelangelo. The answer for this question is option C: Leonardo da Vinci. Third question is: who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Option A: Bessie Coleman, option B: Amelia Earhart, option C: Harriet Quimby, option D: Jacqueline Cochran. The answer for this question is option B: Amelia Earhart. Fourth question is: who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Option A: Charles Dickens, B: William Shakespeare, C: Jane Austen, D: F. Scott Fitzgerald. The right answer for this question is option B: William Shakespeare. Fifth question is: who is the author of the Harry Potter book series? Option A: George R.R. Martin, B: J.K. Rowling, C: J.R.R. Tolkien, D: Charles Dickens. The answer for this question is option B: J.K. Rowling. Sixth question is: which scientist formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation? Option A: Albert Einstein, B: Isaac Newton, C: Charles Darwin, and D: Thomas Edison. The answer for this question is option B: Isaac Newton. Seventh question is: who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and remains the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields? Option A: Marie Curie, option B: Rosalind Franklin, C: Barbara McClintock, D: Janet Goodall. The answer for this question is option A: Marie Curie. Eighth question is: who is often called the Queen of Pop and is known for hits like a Virgin and Material Girl? Option A: Whitney Houston, B: Cher, C: Madonna, D: Beyonce. The answer for this question is option C: Madonna. Ninth question is: who is known for his theory of evolution by natural selection? A: Albert Einstein, B: Charles Darwin, C: Sigmund Freud, D: Stephen Hawking. The answer for this question is option B: Charles Darwin. 10th question is: who was the first woman to serve as the Prime Minister of India? Option A: Golda Meir, B: Angela Merkel, C: Margaret Thatcher, and D: Indira Gandhi. The right answer for this question is option D: Indira Gandhi. 11th question is: who is known for discovering the structure of DNA? Option A: Rosalind Franklin, B: James Watson, C: Francis Crick, and D: Gregor Mendel. The correct answer for this question is option C: Francis Crick. 12th question is: who is known for his role as Tony Stark or Iron Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? Option A: Chris Hemsworth, B: Chris Evans, C: Robert Downey Jr., D: Mark Ruffalo. The correct answer for this question is option C, Robert Downey Jr. 13th question is, who is the famous American inventor known for his contributions to the development of the light bulb and phonograph? Option A, Alexander Graham Bell, B, Nikola Tesla, C, Thomas Edison, and D, Benjamin Franklin. The answer for this question is option C, Thomas Edison. 14th question is, who is the iconic material artist and actor known for films like Enter the Dragon and Way of the Dragon? Option A, Jackie Chan, B, Bruce Lee, C, Jet Li, and D, Chuck Norris. The answer for this question is option B, Bruce Lee. 15th question is, who is the famous American entrepreneur and co-founder of Apple Inc? Option A, Bill Gates, B, Jeff Bezos, C, Mark Zuckerberg, and D, Steve Jobs. The correct answer for this question is option D, Steve Jobs. 16th question is, which among the following was the first Indian woman who went into space? Option A, Kalpana Chawla, B, Sunita Williams, C, Koneru Hampi, D, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is option A, Kalpana Chawla. 17th question is, who was the first Indian to go into space or to go to space? Option A, Vikram Ambalal, B, Ravish Malhotra, C, Rakesh Sharma, D, Nagapati Bhatt. The correct answer for this question is option C, Rakesh Sharma. 18th question is, who among the following was the first man to climb Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen? Option A, Junko Tabei, B, Reinhold Messner, D, Duncan Chessel, D, Fu Dorji. The correct answer for this question is option D, Fu Dorji. 19th question is, who is the first Indian spiritual leader and founder of the Art of Living Foundation? Option A, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, B, Deepak Chopra, C, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar, and D, Osho. The correct answer for this question is option C, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. 28th question is, who was the first Indian scientist to win a Nobel Prize? Option A, C.V. Raman, B, Amartya Sen, C, Hargobind Khorana, D, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. The correct answer for this question is option A, C.V. Raman. 21st question is, who is the famous American astronaut known for being the first person to walk on the moon? A, Alan Shepard, B, Neil Armstrong, C, John Glenn, D, Buzz Aldrin. The correct answer for this question is option B, Neil Armstrong. 22nd question is, who is the renowned American astronaut and the first American to orbit the Earth in space? Option A, Alan Shepard, B, Neil Armstrong, C, John Glenn, and D, Buzz Aldrin. The correct answer for this question is option C, John Glenn. 23rd question is, Michael Jackson is a distinguished person in the field of option A, pop music, B, journalism, C, sports, and D, acting. The right answer for this question is option A, pop music. 24th question is, who said the child is the father of a man? Option A, Shakespeare, B, Wordsworth, C, Keats, and D, Bacon. The correct answer for this question is option B, Wordsworth. Last question is 25th question, when was Lord Buddha born? Option A, 586 BC, B, 1000 BC, C. 560 BC, and D. 750 BC. The right answer for this question is option C. 560 BC.